What are you doing, Carson? Tell Mommy what you're doing. You're eating? What are you eating?
Goggles.
Yeah? Is it breakfast?
No.
What is it?
What?
It's lunch? What do you have for your lunch? Tell me what you have. What's in here?
Cookies.
Cookies? What's in here?
Goggles.
Yeah, what's in here?
Yeah.
Okay. What's in here?
Muffin.
A muffin? What's in here?
Bagels.
Pretzels? What's behind here?
Bagels.
That's a yummy lunch. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?